So the good news is we made it to where?
Monty Pie. It doesn't look like Monty Pie at all. And there's just this little tiny, tiny bar right in the corner there. So it didn't look very exciting. There's no music, there's none of the fun stuff. So we're just going to go back to Nervous Nellies. Let's do it.
Done.
And Kathie,
Well,
we finally made it to Nervous Nellies
man, it's
in
been.
Fort Myers. Oh, and it's super sad because if you look around the whole state, there's like still nothing here.
Here, let's give it a try.
This is 2.5 years later, and it's still like it's ghost town. So is that.
That Nervous Nellies is finally open.
And we went to that other waterfront restaurant.
I think it's called Waterfront Restaurant.
Oh.
That's what I think it is. So, anyway, but we weren't so excited with that one, so we're going to go back to an old
We're
favorite.
gonna see how Nervous
Nervous
Nellies.
Nellies. I'm a little nervous.
Nervous?